This is Chuck Cobb, Senior Director of Training for Guidance Software. Hopefully you've already downloaded the latest version of EnCase Forensic, version 704. I want to share a little background about version 7 and the role training plays on how it's used. If you've been conducting digital investigations for any significant length of time, you know two things for sure. Number one, technology isn't expanding. It's exploding. Massive storage capabilities, mobile computing, encryption, cloud computing, these are just a few examples of the challenges today's investigators are facing. Number two, if you're new to the field of digital investigations, you got a lot of training and catching up to do. For new practitioners, Guidance Software offers a broad collection of courses covering digital examination concepts and the use of our products. But what about seasoned practitioners, the folks who've been using EnCase for years, the NC certified examiners? What does the established user need to get the most out of EnCase version 7? The answer, EnCase version 7 transition training. Now, EnCase version 7 was designed to address the changing landscape of digital investigations. Larger data sets, improved speed, automation of frequent tasks. These were just a few objectives of the redesign of EnCase. As you can imagine, achieving these objectives required that we step back and take a look at how EnCase works behind the scenes. Things like indexing, how and where we store case data, really the overall workflow of EnCase. And with the release of EnCase version 704, we've not only realized many of the design objectives, we've also incorporated customer feedback into our improvements. We're excited about the product, and we believe you will be too. At the same time, we have found that customers who are trained on version 7 are significantly more successful, and they're truly realizing the gains intended with the new product. Interestingly enough, this holds true for new and experienced EnCase users alike. So, to address the training needs of the seasoned practitioners, we've introduced the EnCase version 7 transition course. Now, this 3-day course is not intended, nor is it even available to users who are new to EnCase or digital investigations. But for the seasoned practitioner, we've packed in the things you need to know into a 3-day course, and we've kind of left out the things that you already know. Look, you already know how to acquire evidence, what a hash is, what information is needed for a report, and you know things that have made you successful in the past. And in this course, we're not going to try to retrain you on those things. Rather, what we're trying to do here is show you how these things are now achieved in version 7 and improved in version 7. In addition, we will cover important new features like workflow, enhanced reporting, the EnCase review package, and more. We're confident that when our seasoned users are current on both their version of EnCase and their training, they'll realize the remarkable benefits of version 7. Innovation requires change, and change requires training. You've invested in the innovation, now make sure you know how to make the most of it. For more information about the EnCase V7 transition course or any of the other V7 training offerings, visit www.encase.com/training.